I tried screaming. I just needed to speak. My mind froze, probably feeling the ice cold pistol against my temple. I tried feeling, hoping to hear my own heartbeat. Just one more time before we bury this temple. I tried moving, forgetting the knot of the rope tying my limbs. My whole body started to tremble. The voices sounded so distant. The echoes of my own internal screams were more important. My senses started to shut down one after the other in this moment. I can barely see, but there is one picture my mind is trying to build, but it needs some kind of covenant with my heart, and I do not know why it's so hard. Here's the comment. I keep on hearing the repetition of these words that sound like a foreign language, or wait, I need to find a way to reconnect. It's a form of a baby. It looks like my mom. Is it my baby? Why am I tortured even in the last moments? Maybe living really was a mistake. How can the last picture a barren sees before death be a baby? I cannot stop the stream of tears, and one of them keeps on shouting, "Shut the fuck up, lady." I only need to say one thing: kill me now, please. I need my voice and to move my lips. Forget about my limbs. I'd use them if they were free, but it is not freedom. My sick. Kill me now, please. Kill me now, please. Kill me now, please. Mama Sibiya.